Tired of poor quality BBs? And awkward packaging, which makes you do this. Introducing Proballs! No more annoying jams or misfeeds. Super high grade. Double polished. Easy pouring. And a resealable bag. Extra value. No more hefty repair bills. Variable weights and colours. Comes in a resealable bag. And when you buy 10 bags, you get one free, saving 10%. Come in store or go online. A wide variety of products, including Proballs. Why not buy a box of 25 bags and save over 16%? Extra value. Comes in a resealable bag. Proballs available from one easy payment of £5.50. Ta-ta for now!